Let's stream to Twitch with some paid audience interactions. So I'm here in the Fever Dream play pack, and the play panel for that has got some triggers. So there's a love trigger here, but I don't want to show myself love. I want my audience to show me love. So I'm going to link that trigger to the audience, and I'm going to make it free so that, I don't want anything to stop the audience showing me or everybody else some love. So watching it on Twitch, there's the button that's appeared. Now I've linked it to the audience. I clicked it as an audience member, and there, the whole world is full of love. Now, in Fever Dream, we also have cubes, and I haven't pressed that. I'm now going to link it to the audience, but I'm going to charge for it. So this is now a 10-bit trigger. Let's do the same for spheres. And so now, from the audience, you can see that these buttons now have got the bits on them, bits cost. And so if I click that now, Twitch will check that I actually want to spend that. It will deduct it from my balance. And so there, that's a paid interaction. It's a way of showing the artist some support. Now, that 10 bits, not so much. But we could find some higher value interactions for fans who really want to show their support in a more serious way. So, Cloud World, sucker for Cloud World. It's got bubbles. Let's make them free, a bit like the love. Any audience member can press that. But one of the nice things about Cloud World is that it's got these different variations on the world, and there are different views within each one. So quite like the ability to change cameras. And so here on the play panel, I'm going to link 100,000, 100. So, actually that was change world. I think I wanted to, well, we could do that as well, but I was thinking of change cameras. So here we are. So I'm going to link that to 100. And so now I've got a way of giving, the more dedicated fans, the people who really want to show their support above everybody else, a way of, supporting you in a really meaningful way and actually affecting the whole world that everybody sees. So I've hit the next camera button, 100 bits, it's deducted that, and we can see, there we are. That's the camera move that I paid for. So I really changed the world that the artist is streaming for and really showed my support.